record, but on the last date, my learned friend was appearing, my lord could not point it out to your lordship. So this matter pertains to Zimma of a vehicle. My lord will kindly come to page 19, my lord. My lord, this Zimma petition was preferred by one Muqibul Hussain, who had entered into an agreement for purchase of the vehicle with the petitioner Irshad Khan. And why this order, my lord, page 19. Relevant part, my lord, will find at page 20, last paragraph, my lord. On perusal of the case record, it is revealed that on 14/2/2022, petitioner Muqibul Hussain had already submitted a photocopy of deed of agreement executed between him and Muhammad Irshad Khan. Irshad Khan is a petitioner. With regard to the truck bearing registration number UP21 CT1540. Considering the report of the IO, petitioner Muhammad Muqibul Hussain is allowed Zimma of the said truck. After Muqibul Hussain obtained Zimma of the vehicle, he did not collect the vehicle, my lord, because he had multiple cases pending against him, so he could not appear before the trial court. So, my lord will now kindly come to page 62 of the additional affidavit. Page 62, my lord. My lord, then Irshad Khan, who is the petitioner hearing, my lord, and the registered owner, he filed a Zimma petition. And my lord, he pointed it out to the learned court below that Muqibul Hussain is currently absconding, and so he could not obtain Zimma of the vehicle, and Irshad Khan paid for Zimma of the vehicle. This was the order, my lord. On the last date, my learned friend could not point out the next page, my lord, because there is a misnumbering. An additional document has come in, my lord. My lord will kindly turn to the next page, 64, where the order is continued. This 63 has been wrongly entered, my lord. Page 64, my lord. Continuation of the order. So this Zimma petition was rejected, saying that already Zimma has been given to Muqibul Hussain, so it could not be given to Irshad Khan. Against this order, my lord, an appeal was preferred.
No, where is the other part of that page number 64?
My lord, 62. My lord, 62's other part is at 64, my lord. 63, my lord, due to some mistake, a wrong order has been accepted. 64, my lord, will find petitioner, another petition for the same cannot be entertained. An order dated 4/3/2022 cannot be reviewed.
So now what is your pair here?
So, my lord, against this order, we filed an appeal before the learned court of session. That is, my lord, will find at page 22 of the main application.
Yes.
This appeal, my lord, was preferred by Irshad Khan. My lord will find the relevant part at page 26, para 7. If I may read, my lord. In view of my above findings, the impugn order dated 27/4/2022, passed by the learned trial court in Sibsagar TS case number 18/22 is set aside, and the petitioner appellant is allowed to take custody of the vehicle in execution of a bank guarantee amounting to rupees 40 lakhs. Petitioner appellant Irshad Khan is also directed to furnish copy of bank guarantee for taking custody. After this order was passed, my lord, we filed another application. My lord will kindly come to page 29, wherein we expressed our inability to furnish a bank guarantee of rupees 40 lakhs. And my lord, relevant part, page 30, third last paragraph. This amount was reduced to, my lord, 8 lakh rupees. Bank guarantee, my lord, was from 40 lakhs, it was reduced to 8 lakhs. Now, my lord, we are still unable to furnish this bank guarantee, my lord. So for furnishing a bank guarantee of 8 lakh rupees, my lord, we need to have at least 8 lakh rupees in our account, which we do not have, my lord. So our humble submission and prayer before this honorable court is that we may be allowed to furnish an indemnity bond, my lord.
So where is the original order?
Original order, my lord, is at first order, my lord, page 19 to 21. That was granted in favor of Muqibul Hussain.
19 to?
Page number 19, my lord. And relevant part 21. Here, my lord,
this was on 4/3/2022.
4/3/2020. This was granted to Muqibul Hussain. For almost 1 year, my lord, Muqibul Hussain did not collect the vehicle. he had
No, oh no, what basis he filed that application? He is not the registered owner. of
registered
the
owner, my
vehicle.
lord. He filed, my lord, on page 20, last paragraph. He filed an application saying that he filed a photocopy of an agreement for sale executed with us, my lord. Accordingly, he was granted Zimma.
Where it is mentioned?
My lord, page 20, last paragraph, my lord.
Yes.
On perusal of case report, it is revealed that on 14/2/2022, petitioner Mohammad Mukbul Hussain had already submitted a photocopy of deed of agreement executed between him and Mohammad Irshad Khan, registered owner of the vehicle. So accordingly, my lord, he was granted Zimma. When he did not collect the vehicle and the vehicle was rotting in the police station, then, my lord, I, being the registered owner, approached the learned CJM. Learned CJM said that since an order has already been passed, it cannot be reviewed and rejected. That order, my lord, we challenged before the learned court of sessions, and it was allowed. Only submission, my lord, as regards now is that.
Yes,
amount of
Mr. Locker.
First, Lordship, in this case, Lordship, initially the Zimma was given to Mokibul Hussain, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, on his prayer, Lordship, when he prayed for Zimma, given Zimma to him, that judicial minister rejected his prayer. Thereafter, he appeal filed. In appeal, Lordship, that has been allowed, giving an amount of rupees as a bank guarantee. Lordship, that has been again reduced to 8 lakhs rupees. Now he is saying, Lordship, he cannot give bank guarantee, Lordship. Then if subsequently it comes again that Mokibul Hussain comes and asks for that vehicle, then what will happen, Lordship? Because he cannot return, he will not be returning, he will not return it, Lordship. And Lordship, as he is also admitting, Lordship, that that regarding that ownership, Lordship, he also admitted, Lordship, that he has already sold it to Mokibul Hussain. Then why he has come?
No, but whether it was transferred in the name of Mokibur Rahman, Mokibur?
No, my lord.
Rahman or what?
Mokibul Hussain, my lord.
Hussein.
Hussain. It was not transferred. He had submitted a photocopy, my lord. And that person is absconding, and vehicle is rotting in the police station.
Mokibur is absconding.
Absconding, my lord.
That vehicle is in the with the police custody, Lordship. That Lordship, already he has sold it. Why he has that sympathy
No,
with that vehicle, Lordship? I don't know, Lordship. If he has already sold that vehicle and he has also admitted that part, then what is the sympathy with
He
that
sold
vehicle,
it,
Lordship?
but
Maybe is it that case, Lordship, that Mokibul Hussain, as he cannot come, I've seen this person. I don't know, Lordship, why why this is happening, Lordship, because he admitted, Lordship, he has already sold it. And why he has again come for taking the Zimma of the vehicle? His part has given. He has not. He has no ownership. He already sold it to Mokibul Hussain. Mokibul will do whatever he wants, Lordship. Why he has come, and even though he cannot give bank guarantee also, Lordship.
In this regard, my respectful submission is that Mokibul Hussain has produced a photocopy of a deed of agreement. Vehicle is still in my name. Vehicle is rotting in the police station. If there is any dispute regarding ownership of the vehicle, my lord, that will be decided by competent civil court.
that's all right.
Now, one of this order
The vehicle has already been sold.
Well, that is Mokibul Hussain's claim, my lord. That he has produced a photocopy of a deed of agreement. That person is no longer to be found. I am still the registered owner, my lord. And there are some, my lord, loan which I am still paying, my lord. So the ownership of vehicle has not been transferred, my lord, to him. And this order, my lord,
The question is, if the vehicle has already been sold by you, what interest you have with the said vehicle?
my lord, I am still paying the loan. This was an agreement which was executed between Mokibul Hussain and me regarding this vehicle, my lord. That this after completion of paying of all the EMIs, the vehicle will be registered to his name. EMIs, my lord, I was still paying till the vehicle was seized by the police. Vehicle has not under the MVA, my lord. The sale letter has to be given to the DTO, and then the registration process will be completed. That
So, where is the document that you have purchased it on EMI?
my lord, loan agreements are loan documents are here, my lord. Page 31, my lord. Page 31, my lord. Loan statement. Which is my name, my lord. Irshad Khan. No, that this the order of the learning session has not been challenged by Mokibul Hussain or by the state. So that order where I have been given Zimma, my lord, that order has attained finality regarding my claim, my lord. Only contention before your lordship is, my lord, I am unable to pay the bank guarantee. So, my lord, I will submit an indemnity bond, my lord. Otherwise, this order has not been challenged either by the state or by Mukibul Hussain. My lord.
So where is the registration certificate?
My lord, page 18. Page 18, my lord. Is in my name.
Yes, Mr. Locker,
Lordship.
the present petitioner has purchased the vehicle by taking loan from, what is the finance company?
My lord, this is Mannapuram Finance Limited.
Mannapuram Finance Limited. And he is the registered owner of the vehicle as per Annexure 2, page number 18.
Lordship.
So definitely he has some interest there. Heard Mr. S. Nawaz, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. E.S. Locker, learned additional PP for the state respondent. In this petition under section 482 CRPC, the petitioner has right for
Yeah, in this case, he has not been made party, Lordship. That whether it is,
Hmm?
he has not been made party. That
Oh.
Mukibul Hussain has not been made party, Lordship, in this case.
Yeah.
Lordship. So what
Is
it
it
will-
necessary?
No, they have challenged the order
Because
from, court, but
no,
he-
they have not challenged the order. They have only wanted to be modified. For modification of the order dated 29/4/2023, passed by the learned Session Judge Shivsagar. It is to be noted here that by order dated, impugned order dated 29/4/2023, the learned Session Judge Shivsagar has allowed the petitioner, who is the registered owner of the vehicle bearing registration number UP-21 stroke CT-1545
1540.
1540 on his furnishing bank guarantee of rupees 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. The background facts leading to filing of the present petition is briefly stated as under. The petitioner, Mohammad Irshad Khan, is the registered owner of a vehicle bearing registration number UP-21 stroke CT-1540. And he purchased the same by obtaining loan from
Mannapuram Finance.
Manappuram Finance Limited. Manappuram Finance Limited. And he used to pay monthly equated installment equated monthly installment at the rate of rupees. What is the rate?
Fluctuating, my lord.
Pardon?
My lord, it's on every date it's different, my lord. 12667 on the first date, my lord. then 10753, then 9022, my lord. I think because every time it is, the amount is changing, so that the percentage is changing, my lord. Transaction details, my lord, at page 40, my lord.
So what is the average amount?
So it will be around 12,000, my lord.
12,000.
Around 12,000.
Around 12,000. And thereafter, the petitioner sold the vehicle.
My lord, I'm sorry to interrupt, my lord. I found the amount, my lord. This is 23,420, my lord.
Where?
Page number 35, my lord.
20?
23,420, my lord.
23,420 per month. Thereafter, the petitioner sold the vehicle to one
Makbul Hussain, my lord.
Makbul
Hussain.
Hussain or Mokibur Hussain?
The order says Makbul Hussain.
Makbul Hussain.
Makbul.
By executing one agreement dated. Where is that agreement?
My lord, that agreement, Makbul Hussain has furnished, my lord. We do not have that.
By executing an agreement on when it was
14
executed?
14 to 2022.
14 to 20,
22, my lord.
2022. Thereafter, the said vehicle was seized by Sibsagar Police Station in connection with Sibsagar PS case number 18 of 2022. Thereafter, Makbul Hussain filed an application before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Sibsagar. Where is that order?
Page 19, my lord.
90.
19, my lord.
Filed an application before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, and the said petition was assigned to learned additional CJM Sibsagar, and the learned additional CJM Sibsagar by order dated 4/3/2022 directed that the vehicle may be released in the interim custody of the petitioner Makbul Hussain on his executing. Where is that operative portion?
Operative portion, my lord. At page 21, my lord. Executing Zimmanama of amount.
On his executing. No, upon the said petition, the learned court below has directed the IO to hand over the seized truck to the petitioner on obtaining Zimmanama for an amount of rupees. No, for the market value. No, for an amount which is equivalent to the current market price of the vehicle to the satisfaction of the IO. After passing of the order, after passing of the aforesaid order, for almost a year, Makbul Hussain failed to
1 month, my lord.
1 month.
1 month.
For 1 month, Makbul Hussain failed to take Zimma of the vehicle, as he could not appear before the before the police on account of pending of number of cases against him. Thereafter, the original owner,
Sure.
Mohammad Ishad Khan, has filed a petition before the learned additional CJM Sibsagar on, where is that?
My lord, page 62.
Seeking custody of the aforesaid vehicle on the strength of registered owner. But the court below has dismissed the said petition by order dated 27/4/2022. Then against the said order, the present petitioner has preferred one revision petition
My lord, appeal, criminal appeal.
appeal. Where is that
My lord,
order?
page 22.
File an appeal before the learned sessions of Sibsagar, which has been registered as criminal appeal number 21 of 3, 21 within bracket 3 of 2022. And in the said criminal appeal, the learned session judge, after hearing both the parties, directed that the seized truck be released in the custody of the petitioner on his furnishing bank guarantee of rupees 40 lakhs. The petitioner, being unable to furnish the aforementioned bank guarantee, has filed another petition before the learned session judge for reducing the bank guarantee amount. And thereafter, the learned court below, by order dated 29/4/2023, learned session judge, by order dated so and so, reduce the bank guarantee amount to 8 lakhs from rupees 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs. Better. Being unable to furnish the aforementioned bank guarantee to the learned court below, the petitioner approached this court to modify the order dated 29/4/2023 to the extent that instead of directing the petitioner to furnish bank guarantee of rupees 8 lakhs, the same may be modified to indemnity bond of rupees 8 lakhs. As the petitioner is not in a position to furnish the aforementioned bank guarantee on account of his poor financial condition. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, and also considering the fact that the petitioner is unable to furnish bank guarantee of rupees 8 lakhs, and further considering the fact that the vehicle was seized on, when it was seized,
My lord, 9/1/22.
9/1/2022
22.
2022 in the PS campus, this court is inclined to allow this petition. It is provided on furnishing indemnity bond of rupees 8 lakhs, the seized vehicle be released in the interim custody of the petitioner on the terms and condition imposed by the learned court below, on the other terms and condition imposed by the learned court below. In terms of above this criminal petition instance, this will be.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
Item number 15 for bail hearing. On the last occasion, Lordship, the health status of the accused person was sought for from the jail.
Report is there, Lordship.
Petitioner is still in the TB hospital, admitted, Lordship. and some vision, loss of vision lordship. He was also referred to GMCH lordship for the
Yes, madam, CD is available.
Lordship, scan copy is there, Lordship, for
It's a
about the
certificate case.
Lordship.
no, no.
About the status of the health condition, Lordship. Status report is in the record, Lordship.
No, whether the CD was called for.
CD was there last time, lordship. CD was last time there. Lordship.
CD is available.
It's not, now not available, Lordship, at present, but the health status report is there, Lordship.
No, what happened to CD?
CD was returned, Lordship, for
When?
up-to-date CD, Lordship.
When?
Lordship, last it was called on 16/2, Lordship. Message was sent on 16/2, Lordship. Report of health was on 19/2/24. All the parameters are within normal limit. And Lordship, he was then advised for eyesight vision of some flag H, Lordship. There is flag H.
Still lordship admitted in TB hospital. Lordship. The parameter reveals to lordship the other function organ of the body, lordship, the pressure and all lordship.
Single line.
Okay, let the CD come.
No,
No, why the CD was returned? কেউ পেয়েছে আমি return করা। No, on the other day,
Inquire, Lordship, because somebody have written, Lordship, the returned CD. In the file, we generally used to write down the note, Lordship. So, Lordship, I'll inquire, but CD was last sent a message on 16/2, Lordship. For receiving of the CD, Lordship. Message was sent from our office, Lordship, 16/2.
okay. Heard Mr. Monir, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Ms. A. Begum, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Pursuant to order dated 15/2/2024, the Superintendent Central Jail Guwahati has submitted the latest status report of health of the accused. It is stated in the said report that all parameters of the accused are within normal limits and currently he is being admitted at LGB Chest Hospital, Guwahati.
Presently he is there, lordship. Presently still he is there, lordship, in hospital.
I have dictated it.
No, lordship, lordship. Lordship, sorry.
At the sisters, Ms. Begum learned additional PP submits that the case area is not available. Accordingly, it is provided that Ms. Begum shall produce the case area before this court on Monday, next Monday,
Lordship,
28.
28,
28.
28.
Item 16. On supply chain, lordship.
My pleasure, Lordship. 439 application, Lordship.
For how many days we were languishing?
46 days, Lordship. As of today.
46 days.
Lordship, FSN is not received, Lordship.
CD received.
CD is there, Lordship.
So what, I think, investigation is completed almost,
Lordship, I mean, FSL is only not received, Lordship.
pending.
Pending, Lordship.
Heard, Mr. What is your name?
D Medhi, Lordship. D Medhi, Lordship.
D. Mede, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Ms. A. Begum, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 services prepared by accused Bijoy Kumar, who has been languishing in jail in connection with GRPS case number 10/2024 under section 21B of the NDPS Act. It's to be noted here that a noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by SI Rafiq Ali of Guwahati GRPS on 8/1/2023. 24. The essence of allegation made in the affair dated so and so is that on the same day at about 5:15 AM, while he was checking while he was attending checking duty at Guwahati railway station and checked train number 01666 DN Rani Komalapati Express at platform number 1 of Guwahati railway station at around 8 AM. They have found one person sitting in seat number 52 with black and white, with a black and blue colored P2 bag. And on suspicion, they inquired about his identity. And he disclosed that he is traveling from Agartala to Boisali, Bihar. And on checking his bag, he found one packet of suspected heroin, brown sugar, in a soap case, weighing 13 grams, without soap case, and seized the same in presence of witnesses. Mr. Medhi, learned counsel for the applicant the accused submits that the accused was arrested on 8/1/2024, and for last 46 days he has been languishing in jail Azut. And that the quantity of heroin allegedly recovered from the possession of the accused is of intermediate quantity, and that the accused is ready to face trial and will appear before the court on each and every date, and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Ms. A. Begum, learned additional PP, has produced the case before this court and submits that material part of the investigation is almost over and the case is pending for collection of FSL report. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, I have gone for the petition and the documents placed on record and also peruse the case diary with the assistance of Ms. Begum, learned additional PP. It appears that material part of the investigation is almost over and the case is pending for collection of FSL report only. The accused is behind the bar for last 46 days. And balancing the period of detention with the nature and gravity of the offense, this court is of the view that further custodial detention may not be required in the interest of investigation, and therefore this court is inclined to allow this petition. It is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned special judge, NDPS, Kamrup, and the accused be enlarged on bail. CDB returned.
Obliged, Lordship.